Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's a beautiful day that we decided that we would smoke a brisket. So we have had this on since 7 a.m. this morning and it's now 12, so 5 hours. Let's take a look at how it looks. Beautiful. We're just going to spray it down. We're going to be taking it off the grill in probably another half hour, and then we're going to be wrapping it in butcher paper, and then we are going to put it back on until it reaches a temperature of about 200. It's at 160 now, and then afterwards we will take it out and put it in the cooler when it reaches 200 for 2 to 4 hours to rest, and then we will be happy to show you what this looks like and how juicy and delicious it will be. We will also be making a homemade barbecue sauce that we would love to share the recipe with you. So hang around. Guys, welcome back. We are ready to wrap the brisket. It's reached the internal temperature of 165. It is beautiful. Take a look at it. So we're going to take it off. So let's start with the thermometer. We're using our Pit Boss pellet smoker. So, oh, she's a good girl. Don't drop her, please. And is it stiff? Is there any give to it?
A little bit give.
Cool. Okay, good. I can carry it if you want, and you can film. Okay.
Dun, dun, dun.
Okay, I'm gonna wrap it over here, and then it goes back on the grill. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my God. Guys, there's nothing more beautiful than a brisket.
That would be the burnt end.
So just try to remember where we will put the thermometer back in. Okay, good.
All right, so we're gonna be wrapping this with butcher paper. I'm gonna try to wrap it.
I would put it straight, I would
This
think. I would do it like this.
There's not enough room.
It is beautiful.
Let's see how this goes. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna wrap it like a little present. A little present.
Which side is the fat up though? Fat up is this side?
Yep.
Okay,
How
so
it's on
it's
is
going to
how
go
it
here.
works. Yep.
Okay. But how is that going to stay though? You using this too?
Ooh, she's big. And then we're gonna wrap it again. That should be tight enough.
That's going to go in there.
Thermometer is going to go into the thickest part of the brisket. Bring this baby back outside.
Okay. Temperature is going to go to 250. Okay. You'll need the gloves to put this on because it is hot. Right now it's at 93. Give. Really, it's neat. I'll know as soon as butter in there as well to absorb the moisture. And
Give normal, not too short.
same thing. Okay, let's close her down and we'll see you in a bit when this reaches
In about 3
200.
hours.
Yep.
Alright guys, so if you've been following with today, we made a brisket. It's resting right now, so I just gonna make a little barbecue sauce to go with it. So what we need, or what I use is, I'm gonna give you the actual measurements. I'm making a smaller batch, but the actual measurements is 1 cup ketchup, 1/4 cup chili sauce, 1 cup brown sugar, half an onion, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 2 tablespoons. I'm using Joe beef barbecue seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning you want or no seasoning at all. I like this seasoning, it's my favorite. And I'm also going to be using about a tablespoon of dry mustard, which I don't have here, but I'm letting you know. Oh, and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I finished mine. That's why it's not here, but add it. It's good. But if you don't have it, it's still gonna work out, okay? So we're gonna put a little bit of oil in a pan so that we can tenderize the oil. That would be the onions in the oil. All right. Let's turn that on. Put some oil in there.
Tenderize that oil.
Tenderize the oil. That might be too much oil.
It's pretty tender.
It's tender?
It's pretty tender.
It is tender. It's nothing like tender oil. Get that a little hot.
Well, while this is heating, I'll go ahead and show everyone what we're doing here. As well, using the Insignia air fryer. And what are we cooking? Tater tots. And they are good in here. Let's put that back in and let it continue. It's magic. All right, let's see what's going on over here.
Alright, so we're gonna put in the onion.
So we're having a big meal tonight. We're having brisket. We're having fresh barbecue sauce. And we're having tater tots on the side. So we're living like kings and queens.
Alright. So once these just get a little tender, they don't have to brown or anything, just get them a little, you know, we don't want crunchiness in our...
And if enough people like this video and we get enough views, we will actually post a video from start to finish of how we make our brisket. Because this video compilation does not have it from A to Z. But if we get enough views, then I'll be happy to post
comments.
a 12-hour on and off video of how to make a brisket.
Don't worry, it won't be a full 12-hour video. Alright, let's lower that. Alright, so that should be good enough. I'm going to get that ketchup and chili sauce in there. Alright. 1 cup ketchup. Quarter cup chili sauce. All right. All right, and then the half cup of brown sugar. Once that's mixed together, break it down here. Already smells like barbecue sauce. Some people just make it this way with a few spices. Alright, now we're gonna have to put a little bit of the acid of the apple cider vinegar. And the honey. I'm just gonna squeeze it in there. I usually eyeball it. Alright. You'll find the recipe or the ingredients below. Alright. And soy sauce. This is when you would put your Worcestershire sauce too. Alright. And then you'll add the teaspoon of cayenne. Give it a little kick. Oh yeah. And the mustard powder that I have to get.
Smells good.
Oh yeah. There. And now I'm just gonna add the last ingredient is my barbecue spice. And that is it. You're gonna simmer for maybe 2 minutes till it's thick. And you'll set it aside, cool, and serve. And you want it to do this to your spoon or whatever it is. See that? When you do that. Oh yeah. It is good. And done. Easy peasy. We'll be back with our brisket. Alright guys, so it's finished resting. It was wrapped in the towel, hence why the towel is here.
Our Animal Kingdom towel.
And let's see
Okay,
this
let's
baby.
take the towel out.
Yeah.
Can we do it without?
Oh. Come on, baby.
Watch out, because I'm sure there's a lot of juices. Oh my god.
Well, the juices went into the towel, really.
There you go.
Okay. And oh yeah. Flat looks good. What about the point?
Oof. Oh my god, steam.
Oh yeah.
Oh my.
That's been resting for 2 hours. It's still steaming. That's the benefit of putting it in a cooler. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All right.
Okay. That is great.
Will you need the gloves to lift that is what I'm wondering.
No,
to
I
take
won't.
these off and cut it because we want to show what it looks like.
Don't think I will. 1, 2, 3.
And here's our nice little barbecue sauce that we made to go with it.
Oh, magic
For
right
you.
there.
All right. Go together.
1, 2, 3.
All right.
1, 2, 3 here.
Beautiful. That's a nice size brisket.
Now we're gonna get our serrated knife.
It's about 5 pounds as well. Okay. You know the right way to cut it,
All
darling?
right. So we're gonna cut the flap. This is the flap. This is the point. The flap cuts differently. Flat.
With a
Oh,
T.
excuse
Because
me.
it's flat.
It's also a flap.
No.
All right. Either way, you have to cut against the grain. So this cuts differently than the point. So we're gonna cut it off. Here.
Oh my God.
You hear it? Do you hear it? She's talking to us.
Oh. Oh.
You have no idea what pleasure this brings
Look
us.
at this.
Oh my God. Look at the juices running out.
It's like a little mini waterfall.
All right. Boom.
And keep in mind, guys, we're amateurs at this. Just push down on it a little bit, baby, to show.
So-
We're amateurs. Push down. Look at
Yeah.
that juice. We're
That's
amateurs.
what you're looking for.
Well, we do it good.
Okay. Oh, and like I don't even have to press down. It's just.
Wow. Yeah. So
Now I'm gonna cut a piece and let you guys see what. Oh my God, I'm salivating. What you're looking for when you're cutting the flat. So if it does this, it's been cooked correctly.
first
Alright.
taste.
And if it's the pull test, pulls, boop, oh, it's freaking hot. I'm gonna cut it because it's hot. All right. Let's do that again. That is perfection. All right. There it is. Now, the point, that is still running. I don't think we're supposed to cut it that way, actually.
No, this supposed to cut it this way, I believe.
This way. So this is what we call burnt ends. Oh, it's my favorite part. We'll cut that piece and I'll just put it aside.
Oh, look at the smoke ring.
Smoke ring.
Oh, beautiful. Never mind that. You have to see the one that's there.
Ooh.
Great job.
Okay. I'm gonna just cut
I don't know if it's cut or
these slices off. I don't know if that's the right way. No. I think
I don't know,
this
like we
is.
said, we're amateurs, so we're still learning. Trick is to get it cooked right. Then after.
We like it really thin. You're a camera guy. Is that the right way?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Delicious. All right. I think you've seen enough of us slicing our meat. Pitmaster privilege, as they say.
We will eat.
Enjoy it. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Hope you enjoyed this one. Have a good day.